Hey, you guys, it's Misky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, smack the bell so you can get notified, subscribe so you can check out this YouTube channel for more other videos. Also, check the little cards up there below that I will be, well, above, that I'm going to be putting up there. And also share this video with somebody else so they can get this knowledge. And let's get into this video. Okay, so you guys, if you don't already know, I do videos on the law of attraction where we talk about creating your future, manifesting your reality into what you want it to be, and making everything to become yours. And also Self-Love Saturdays where we talk about loving yourself, being more confident, and loving others. And Witchy Wednesdays where we talk about magic spells and death. Make sure that you check the description box below for any other information, such as how to book a session with me. You can book a tarot reading or a session for anything else. Is definitely down in there below. To buy any crystal jewelry, definitely check it. Also, if you see a nail, yeah, bitch, it's popped the fuck off. Any other thing is definitely in the description box. But we're going to be basically talking about, can you change somebody's mind with the law of attraction? Or can you change somebody with the law of attraction? My answer to that is a big fat yes. It's a big fat ass yes. You can definitely change somebody with the law of attraction. But let me tell you, I asked this question a couple of times. People always talk about it. I always talk about it, manifesting a specific person, manifesting people to change. I've manifested people to change my reality numerous amounts of times. They always go back, or they people are always changing my reality. They are always, I always assume them to be how I want them to be. And this is the thing about it. When you are changing, quote unquote, changing somebody in your reality, it is not about you necessarily changing them. It is about you changing yourself and your assumption of how they will be in your reality. This is it. You have to know your power. You cannot change somebody else without knowing yourself. Everything is a reflection of you. So once you really understand you and how your energy is starting to attract how people react to you, or how people ultimately come to you or directly bring themselves to you, you will understand that what you are thinking, speaking, and all of that correlates to how an individual or people will be experiencing their life around you, or how you will be experiencing other people. Let me give you all an example. If I assume that somebody is going to come to me negatively, people don't respect me, people don't like me because of a certain thing, or because I wear my hair a certain way, or whatever the case may be, that's how that person will show up. I have a insecurity. People feel that. I have a fear. People feel that. You are projecting yourself onto other people. This is the thing when you're using the law of attraction to change someone. You change your assumption. If you are manifesting a specific person and you say they don't like you, that is what you believe about them, because you are giving way to a current circumstance. To change someone, you don't give that energy to a current situation. You have to put yourself, and then they will meet you where they meet you at. Look, you will begin to be that person in that reality that you see with the individual that you seek to change. That's why it is all about you and not them. You are putting yourself in that reality and that vibration of what you are experiencing in that. So if they were to say something negative to you, you don't react. You respond how that person will respond in that reality that you are living in. I always say this: people will meet you at where you give them. If people are meeting you at a low level vibration, that's because that's where you want to meet them. You got to take back your power. Yes, you can change somebody's mind using the law of attraction. Yes, you're always manipulating somebody in the law of attraction, so it's about manipulating it to work in your favor. Manipulation is not a bad thing. We're always selling ourselves to somebody. We're always, when we communicate, we're always making somebody think in our idea. So to make somebody else think in your idea, you have to think they are. You have to be in that vibration of, you're not doubting, you're not fearing, you're confident that what you are speaking or what you are thinking is going to manifest. They are going to follow up on what you want. They are going to, in turn, be in tune with your vibration. Because when you elevate, you are elevating other people around you. You have to think in that way. And that can really help when you are manifesting somebody to change. I'm elevating, so I'm helping other people to elevate. You are always making somebody out to be what you want them to be because of a past situation that happened. That is why you don't give way to current situations. You can do past revisions, and I'm going to do a video on past revision and how to change your past. So when you are changing somebody with the law of attraction, it is ultimately you changing yourself, you changing what you want to experience, you recreating the story. I am always recreating a story with somebody. If I want to heal my relationships with my family or with anybody that I know, I'm recreating the story. I'm rewriting what has happened in the past. I'm changing what is going to happen in the future. I'm saying and I'm affirming that what is to come is what I want. So I would say I have healthy relationships. I people always listen to what I have to say. They respect me. I'm a very influential person. Things that I say, people are listening to them. They really take my advice into consideration and act upon it. You feel me? So really it's about putting that back into you. You see what I'm saying? I'm affirming what I want to create in my reality. You don't give attention to the other person. You do not. They are puppets. Everybody is, think of it like this. Everybody is minute in your reality. Everybody is following up on what you say. There are little coins, little dice, or whatever, and every time you pick it up, you just, I don't know. They ain't nothing, but you can manipulate them because everybody is energy. You're always making the energy work in your favor. Everything is energy. The energy that you are attracting is what you're giving out. If you are attracting people that are negative towards you, that's the energy that you're giving out. Can you change other people's minds? Yes, you can. Do you believe that you can? It's all about your belief. Baby, it's all about your belief. If you don't believe that you can't change people's minds, then how the fuck is this gonna work for you? You feel me? And I will give you the most straightforward way about this. No bullshit way. Believe in yourself. That is the biggest thing when you are manifesting. Believe in yourself and your power and trust. Trust. You are always manifesting. Now it is about co-creating and deliberately doing it. There's nothing stopping you from manifesting but yourself. This is your world. Nobody else sees from your two set of eyes. Nobody else sees from your perspective but you. So you have to understand that this is you. This is you, baby. You put the power back in you. You don't give that power to the other person. If they say something that you don't like, change that shit up. Change them and say, oh, they're gonna come back to me and forgive me, or they're gonna come back to me with to some kind words, and you have to believe it. You don't gotta say nothing. You don't gotta tell them anything. All you do is affirm it, and everything will follow up. Everything will always follow up and follow suit to what you are manifesting and what you are speaking and thinking and that you want to create. Yes, I'm going to say it again. You can change somebody's mind with the law of attraction. But do you believe that you can change their mind? Yes, you do believe it. You wouldn't be watching this video if you didn't. Duh, okay? But I believe in you guys. And I know that everything that I'm saying, you following up on me, and people are always responding to my videos. People love my videos. People watch my videos like all the way through. Like I'm starting to see my YouTube channel grow at a fast and rapid rate. And I really am thankful for you guys that watch my videos and support me. It's just so much support that I've been getting recently. Like I just can't even fucking handle it. The support. Oh my god, you guys know I'm not even joking. Like it's so much support that I've been getting recently, and I really appreciate it from you guys. And I love y'all from the deepest, bottomest part of my heart, and from the top part of it too. Y'all are amazing. Thank you so much, you guys. If you guys like this video, because that was all, definitely leave a just affirmation down below that you like, that you can say to help affirm your reality. Any affirmation that you like. Okay, I'm gonna just give y'all one. Say I am the creator of my reality. Some simple shit or whatever. Or I believe in everything that I manifest. Stuff like that. I don't know what the fuck. You can say anything. But if you like this video, you guys, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you smack the bell, and also so you can get notified. And then Check the description box below, you guys, for everything else. And I'll see you in the next